That's a fish. Feels really nice, actually. We have, nice largie. Nice largie. He hit it on the drop. That's awesome. Thank you, buddy. Thanks, bud. See you today. He's like all the way at the bottom, too. That's another fish. I didn't even start reeling. Little guy. Thanks, bud. Good drift so far. That's fish. Another fish. Come here. Little chunky guy again. Oh, thanks, bud. Seize the day. There's another one. Oh, no, he is. There we go. Like a pound and a half. Thanks, bud. Getting bit by bluegill here. That's for sure. There's another fish. Oh. Another fish. There we go. Not a big one at all. Oh, it's a perch. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful perch. Thanks, bud. There's a fish. Oh, it feels good. On that Cast King Royale Legend. Not a bad one again. That's a fish. What do we got? That feels like a nice fish. Get another line. Come here, bud. Thank you, Cast King. Biggest of the day so far. Solid 2 right there, at least. Thanks, bud. Seize the day. All right, something picked up our bluegill. And got him. Yep. Not the biggest of the day, not the smallest. Today's been good. Oh, fish on here. A fish. Oh, we have one here. Oh, we're doubled. We're doubled up. I'm doubled up. Oh my goodness, I'm doubled up. That's what you get for using 2 rods. Let's reel this one in too. Oh, it's a big crappie. I'm doubled up with myself. 2 species. That's freaking sick. Thank you, guys. Oh, he was gonna do the thing. Seize the day. Oh, there we go. Another chunky guy. See ya. Well, fellas, first kayak session was a freaking awesome success. Seize the day.